here with my good buddy Mike. We knew the turkeys were roosting in this area, and so we got out here really early and set up. And sure enough, there was a gobbler over here and a gobbler to the right. And we worked this gobbler. You know, every time he'd gobble, I'd come back at him. And he flew down pretty early. And we had another one to the right here, which flew off. I was hoping we'd get a shot at him too, but he came in, he put on a show. I mean, strutting, spitting, drumming. It was good stuff. And Mike, got on him in the roost and stuff, and it was great. And when we were sitting here this morning, I just thought to myself, I'm like, there's no better feeling than this. A little bit of fog coming off, the ground and the sky, and everything was lighting up. And Mike said something the other day about, how can somebody not like this? This is the best right there. Getting the turkey and being out here, and enjoying the outdoors. Good
It's
stuff.
awesome.
Yeah.